Good evening guys, and welcome to today's video where I'm looking at the entry-level certificate mathematics 5930 / externally set assignment component 5. The calendar and time exam paper is a Specimen 2015 paper, and the time allowed for this paper is 45 minutes, and calculators are allowed for this paper, guys. Okay, this paper, guys, was recorded on Sunday the 22nd of August 2021. Right guys, if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Abdallah W, and I'm a recently qualified mathematics teacher for secondary and primary. I'm currently doing the walkthrough solutions to GCSE exam papers for AQA, OCR and Edexcel. Okay, if you found this video useful, please also check out my other videos. Please also subscribe to the channel, drop the video a like, and also press the bell icon, okay, so turn on post notifications so you guys don't miss out on my regular uploads on this channel. And comment below if you've got any questions or queries about this video or this video tutorial. Okay, I'll be more than happy to get back to you within like a 24-hour to 48-hour window. Okay, and feel free to share this channel, guys, and share the video and tell your friends and family or anyone that might benefit from this channel. Okay, right guys, so let's just crack on with the video today. So these are the instructions. Okay, so a pen is going to be needed, pencil and a ruler, and a calculator may be needed or used. Okay, the maximum mark for this paper is 30, okay, and in all calculations show clearly how you got your answer, so make sure that you always show your full workings where appropriate and where needed. Okay, so let's just crack on, guys. Right guys, question number 1, what is the day after Friday? Well, the day after Friday is a Saturday. Okay, so the day after Friday is a Saturday. Saturday. Okay, question number 2. Which 2 days are between Sunday and Wednesday? Well, after Sunday is Monday, and after Monday it is Tuesday. Okay, so these 2 days are in between Sunday and Wednesday. So it goes Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and then it goes Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and then it repeats the cycle again. Right guys, question number 3a. What time does this clock show? Well, this clock shows that it's 8 o'clock. So the clock shows 8 o'clock. Okay, so that's the time that it shows. So it is 8 o'clock. For part B, what time does this clock show? Well, this clock shows 2:30. So 2 and then 2 dots. Okay, sorry about that. Okay, I can't seem to get rid of that dot there, sorry. But we've got 2 dots there, okay, so ignore that dot there, guys. Okay, so that is the answer for question 3b. Question 3c, show the time 9:30 on this clock. So it's saying 9:30. Now this is my half-past hour, so this is the long hand. So remember that is 5 past, 10 past, 15 minutes past, 20 past, 25 past, 30 past, 35, 40 past, 45 past, 50 past, and 55, and then it's back to the hour. So 9:30, okay, looks something like that. So it is like a short arrow, and it's bang in between 9 and 10. Okay, so that is 9:30, guys. This is question number 4. What is the day before Friday? So the day before Friday is a Thursday, guys. So the day before a Friday is a Thursday. Okay, question number 5. Bella goes into town to meet her friends at the cafe. Here are some things that Bella does. Gets off the bus, walks to the bus stop, locks the house, goes into the cafe, gets on the bus. Put them in the correct order in the table. Now, thinking about this logically, so Bella locks the house actually, then she would walk to the bus stop, so that would go in the next box. So walks to the bus stop. Okay, she would then get on the bus, so that would be box number 3. So gets on the bus. She would then get off the bus, so that would go there, so gets off the bus, okay, and then she would go into the cafe. Okay, so she would get off the bus here. Oops. So gets off the bus. Okay, so sorry about my handwriting, guys. I apologize for this. So gets off the bus and then goes into the cafe for the last one. I can barely write today, guys. I apologize. Okay, so that is question number 5. So locks the house, walks the bus stop, gets on the bus, gets off the bus, and then goes into a cafe. Question number 6. Complete the list of seasons in order. So it goes spring, then summer, then autumn, and then winter. Okay? So that is the cycle every year. Okay? If that makes sense. Okay, so like, so yeah, so that is the cycle. Question number 7, fill in the missing numbers. There are something seconds in a minute. Well, there are 60 seconds in a minute. Okay, part B, there are 7 days in 1 week. There are 12 months in 1 year. Okay, question number 8, the morning news starts at 7:15. Part A, show this time on a digital clock. So this is what I call a digital clock, guys. So 7:15 in the morning, or in the morning is going to be 7:15. Okay, so it's 7:15. Okay, there's no need for AM because it is assuming that we know it's the morning, okay, if that makes sense. But morning would be AM and then PM would be afternoon, actually, if that makes sense. Okay, part B, show this time on the clock, 3:50. So that is saying 10 to 4. So we're going to have a big arrow going there because that's 10 to, okay. Then we're going to have like a small arrow. Oops. Do this properly. So small arrow pointing towards the 4, but not quite 4. So it's pointing around there. So that is 10 to 4 or 3:50. Okay. Question number 9. Carl's birthday is in a month between February and June. Write down 1 month it could be. So it could be March, April, or May. Okay, after May it's June, so it can't be June or February actually, so it has to be either March, April, or May. So what I'm going to put down is March, but they will accept April and May. Okay, so I've put down March for my answer there. Question number 10. The watch shows. Okay, I think I might have actually miscopied this question. Okay, so show this clock on the time. Okay, so we will come back to that question because I think I've not actually copied the appropriate clock for this, if that makes sense. I think Okay, we will come back to that. Okay. Number 11. How many minutes are there in between 10:45 and 11:15? Well, 10:45 to 11 o'clock is going to be 15 minutes, and then add 15 again is going to be 30 minutes. Okay, so 10:45 to 11 o'clock, I'm gonna add 15 minutes. Remember that it's 60 minutes in an hour. So when these two digits after the two dots, when they hit 60, it goes to 0, 0, and then it repeats the cycle again from 0 to 60. Okay, question number 12. Look at these two times. How many minutes are there in between these times? Well, it's 7:15 actually to 8 o'clock. So there are 45 minutes in between these times. Okay, question number 13. Here is a calendar for August 2014. Which day of the week was the 6th of August? We can see here that the 6th of August represents a Wednesday. So it was a Wednesday on the 6th of August. Oops. Sorry guys, I'm not even sure what is up with my writing today. It's pretty atrocious, I could say the least. Part B. The last date in July 2014 was the 31st of the 7th, 14. Write down the date of the first Sunday in August 2014. Well, the first Sunday in August is here because it's Thursday the 31st, then it's Friday the 1st of August, Saturday the 2nd, Sunday the 3rd. So it's written as 03/8/14. So we are copying exactly the exact layout of this. So it's the date, the month, and the year. Okay, so the date of the first Sunday is the 3rd of August. So it's the 3rd of August 2014, 03/8/14. Right, guys, question number 14. How many full weeks are there in 1 year? Well, there are 52 full weeks in 1 year. So 52 weeks in 1 year, guys. Okay, question number 15. Rob and Josie had a race. Rob took 165 seconds. Josie took 2 minutes 35 seconds. Who won? Show how you decide. Well, let's convert 2 minutes 35 into seconds. So there are 60 seconds in 1 minute. So 60 seconds. So what I'm going to put is SECS for short is 1 min. 1 minute. So therefore 120 seconds is 2 minutes. So 120 plus 35. So putting this into your calculator, 120 plus 35 gives us 155 seconds. Okay. 155 is smaller than 165, therefore Josie is the winner. So Josie is the winner. So Josie won the race, or is the winner. Okay. Okay. Question number 16. Write down the time that is shown on this clock. Well, it's 10 past 1. Okay, so the hour hand's on the 1. That's 10 past. So it's the hour. So 01-10. Okay. And it is in this form, guys, because it's not telling us whether it's AM or PM. So that's why I wrote it as like a digital time. So it's 1 hour, sorry, it is 10 minutes past 1. So 10 minutes past the 1 hour clock. Okay, right, guys. Liam starts work at 6:30 in the morning. Take the correct time: 6:30 a.m. or 6:30 p.m. Now remember that morning, guys. Morning means a.m. and p.m. means afternoon slash evening. Okay, so that would be 6:30 in the evening essentially, and that's 6:30 a.m. Okay, so 6:30 a.m. is the morning. Okay. Right, guys, question number 18. Jenny is at work for 5 hours. She does these jobs, writes letters for 1 hour 15 minutes, has a meeting for 2 hours 30 minutes, makes a phone call for 20 minutes. How much of the 5 hours does she have left? Well, 1 hour 15 minutes plus 2 hour 30 minutes is 3 hours 45 minutes. So 3 hours 45 minutes. Oops. Gosh, I think today is just not one of my days for writing, guys. I do actually apologize. I don't know what on earth that is. It meant to be an M. So 3 hours 45 minutes. Then add 20 minutes. Well, if I add 15 minutes, I get 4 hours. And then I add 5 minutes, I get 4 hours and 5 minutes. So 4 hours. Oh no. Today is not my day, guys. I apologize for this. Okay, 4 hours, 5 minutes. 4 hours, 5 minutes to 5 hours. I'm going to add on 55 minutes. Okay, so 55 minutes is remaining. So that is the time that she has left. Okay, for her time at work. So she has 55 minutes remaining after she completes her tasks. Okay, so writes letters, has a meeting, and then makes a phone call. So 55 minutes remains after you deduct the time that she used for writing letters, having a meeting, and making a phone call. Okay. Right, guys, so that takes us to the end of the paper. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found it useful. Any questions, any queries, or anything you don't understand, then put it in the comment section. I'll do my very best to address it. Thank you so much for watching. Take care, stay safe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.